This is Father's Love and welcoming my daughters from very far away, from Vihiga County to now Homa Bay County. We are bonding together. They have just arrived. Yeah? You see yourself dancing, It is good to dance and it's good to maintain the strong love you have between your children, and sometimes you show them fun. You dance together, you make fun, they laugh, they dance, and this one creates a very, very strong bond among your children. Sometimes you don't get harsh to them. You show them that they can be able to do what you do. So they emulate what you are doing. They become happy. And this one normally brings a closer bond to your children. In fact, your children should be your friend. You should be able to be communicating with them very well and talking to them so that when they grow up, they can be able to tell you their problems and they cannot suffer inside. So as a father, as a mother, you should be able to be bonding with your children, showing them love, taking them out, buying them gifts so that they be close to you and share with you everything that is disturbing their life. Otherwise, let's enjoy the song.